I've always been interested in knowing how things tick, taking things apart, working out how they work, and if they're broken, learning how to fix them. I was always tinkering with motorbikes and cars. I remember that my first mountain bike, I ended up taking it all apart. Didn't quite work out though, because I didn't have the knowledge of how to put it all back together. But that's what kicked it off for me. I always had an electrical or mechanical interest. At secondary school, I loved the CDT workshop, being able to build and create stuff and learning how it works. When I was younger, I wanted to be an electrician, but it didn't work out because when I did my work experience, I was doing a lot of installation, didn't really learn how things worked, and it never really piqued my interest. So when I left school, I was looking for an apprenticeship. A friend of my mum's was a service technician at an airline catering company, and he had a much broader scope. I then had the opportunity to start an apprenticeship there, which would then give me the opportunity to learn a lot more. I started working at Vanderlande as a service technician 11 years ago. I now manage a small team of site-based service technicians at Tesco.com Greenford. I set myself a goal to become a manager by the time I was 40, and I've achieved that, and I'm very proud of that. I'm the longest serving team member here, and I've always been the port of call for all the guys on site. I really enjoy being able to help the guys out, ensuring that we hit our targets and building good customer relations. The thing I enjoy most about my job is being able to rectify something when it's broken and figure out why a process isn't working. As a kid, I never really wanted to work in an office. I was super active, always into everything, running around, into motorbikes, cars, climbing trees, playing football. Working for Vanderlande ticks all the boxes for me. It's a nice mix of managerial stuff, taking stuff apart, being hands-on, and being able to help the guys out and rectify issues. Part of my job role here is continual improvement, looking into how a process works and if we can make improvements, and that really interests me, how we can make things better.
Vanderlande. Aspire, grow, achieve together.